Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix maximum number of attempts reached try again later on your TikTok account. So guys, if you have tried to log into your account for so many times and now you are facing this problem on your TikTok, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So as for that, you will have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to fix this problem is that you will have to simply connect to any VPN in your device. So as for that, open your settings and from here scroll it below and tap on general. Again scroll it below and from here tap on VPN and device management. So as from here you will have to simply connect to any VPN to fix this problem. So I simply connect any VPN from here and after this try again to log in your account in your TikTok. So as after this go for the next solution. If it doesn't work, that is you will have to reset your network settings in your device. So for that go back and from here scroll it below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and tap on reset network settings, and from here give your passcode for your iPhone and reset your network settings, and after this check if the problem has been fixed or not. So if you are still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you will have to offload your TikTok app and then you will have to reinstall the updated version of TikTok app in your device. So for that open your general section again in the settings and from here tap on iPhone storage and wait for some seconds. Tap on TikTok from here and from here simply tap on offload the app. So guys, simply offload your TikTok app and go back to your home screen and open your app store. So I search here for TikTok from here and wait for some seconds and from here download and install the latest version of TikTok in your device. So as after this check if the problem has been fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then go for the final solution, that is you will have to open your TikTok and from here tap on profile. You can use any of other profile if you have, and you can also use some friends profile or some family members profile as well. And from here tap on three lines button and from here tap on settings and privacy, scroll it below, tap on report a problem and from here scroll it below all the way and tap on submit our report. So guys, from here you will have to explain this problem in a brief way that you are unable to log into your TikTok account, and after this you will have to simply submit this report to TikTok team. So as hopefully after a few hours they will try to contact you back, and after this they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So as hopefully after all these solutions your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.